In this video, I'll show you how to change the currency on your Revolut account. The process is very simple, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss anything. First, open your Revolut app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see your balances and accounts. From here, tap on the three-dot icon that says More. Inside the More menu, you'll see different options, and the one we're looking for is Exchange. Tap on Exchange, and this is where you can change your currency. At the top, you'll see the option to select the currency you want to sell. Just tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the currencies that are currently available in your Revolut account. Pick the one you want to convert from, for example, euros. Now, just below that, you'll see the option to select which currency you want to buy. Tap on it, and choose the currency you want to receive, for example, British pounds. Revolut will automatically calculate the exchange rate for you and show how much of the new currency you'll get in return. You can also type in the exact amount of money you want to exchange. Once you've entered the amount, tap on Review Order. Double-check all the details, such as which currency you're selling and which currency you're buying, and make sure the amount looks correct. If everything looks good, tap on Sell to confirm the exchange. The converted funds will instantly appear in your new currency balance inside Revolut. That's all you need to do to change currency on Revolut. The great thing about Revolut is that it offers competitive exchange rates compared to traditional banks, and you can easily hold multiple currencies in the same account, making it really convenient if you travel or shop internationally. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.